In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notification when Telegram friend is online. While Telegram doesn't offer a dedicated online statuses alert, you can make sure you don't miss activity from a specific friend by customizing that chat's notifications so they're louder, higher priority, and appear as pop-ups. Think of this as turning up the volume and visibility for one conversation. So anytime they reach out, you know right away. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. From your chat list, open the conversation with the friend you want to keep close tabs on. This ensures you are adjusting settings only for that one chat and not changing notifications for everything, which helps keep the rest of your app quiet and focused. At the top of the chat, tap their name to open the profile and chat-specific settings. This area is where Telegram keeps controls for notifications, media, and other preferences tied to that particular conversation. You'll see options that affect only this one chat, which is exactly what we want. Next, tap Mute, and then choose Customize. Even though it says Mute, this is where Telegram places per chat notification controls. Customize opens the detailed settings that let you tailor how alerts from this friend behave. It's the fastest way to give one chat a unique sound, stronger priority, and more visible notifications without touching global app settings. Under Customize, first change the notification sound. Pick a distinct tone from your device, or the system sounds something you'll instantly recognize in a noisy environment. A unique sound helps you tell this friend apart from everyone else, so you can react quickly when a message arrives. Now set the priority for this chat. A higher priority tells your device to surface these alerts more prominently. Keep them at the top of your notification list. Let them break through quieter modes. This is key if you tend to miss notifications or your phone filters less important alerts. Finally, enable pop-up notifications for this chat. Pop-ups put the message front and center on your screen, making it hard to miss, even if you are using another app. Combined with a custom sound and high priority, pop-ups ensure you notice activity from this friend the moment it happens. With these settings in place, you'll get louder, more visible alerts anytime your friend is active and sends a message, which is the closest practical approach to being notified when they're online. That's all to it.